Thank you very much, brothers and sisters. You know, at this point in time, of course, right here, of course, we're going to have the reception announcement. As they will be taking the little ride.
Thanks. Yes, man.
And shortly, of course, and I hope they don't reach the room.
Hey,
So at this point in time, of course, we'll be patient.
God bless you. God bless
Your
you.
cooperation as we're going to
Thank you.
sort of rearrange here for the purpose of the reception. So again, we kindly ask for your cooperation and ask for the brothers, of course, the brothers, the deacons, to help us in this as we rearrange here.
Hey, sister.